An Echo PB-2520 that refuses to shut down has a break in the grounding circuit, and the exact fix is removing the handle casing to either reconnect the severed kill switch wire or replace the switch entirely. A running engine that ignores the off button is a severe safety hazard, but getting the ignition system grounded properly takes just a few basic tools and a few minutes of your time. The kill switch operates by sending the ignition coil's electrical charge to the ground wire, instantly cutting spark to the spark plug. When the vibration of the blower shakes a wire loose or the internal contacts of the switch corrode, that grounding path is lost. Start by taking a T27 Torx screwdriver and removing the screws holding the two halves of the throttle handle together. Carefully pull the top housing off to expose the trigger linkage and the small red stop switch. Look directly at the two wires connected to the back of the switch. In most cases, the constant pulling on the throttle cable bundle causes one of these small wires to snap off its spade connector. If a wire is visibly broken, strip a small amount of insulation off the end, crimp on a new female spade connector, and push it firmly back onto the switch terminal. If both wires are securely attached, the switch itself has failed internally. Pull both wire connectors off the switch, squeeze the plastic retaining tabs on the sides of the switch body, and pop it out of the handle housing. Snap a new replacement switch into the designated slot and reattach the two wires. The polarity does not matter for this circuit, so either wire can go to either terminal. Before putting the handle back together, ensure the wires are tucked into their routing channels so they do not get pinched by the plastic casing. Reinstall the handle cover and tighten down the Torx screws. Start the blower, let it idle, and press the stop button to verify the engine shuts down immediately.